Hi Mayur, how are you?
Good. How are you doing?
I'm good. Okay, I'm gonna ask you a few questions. Okay?
Yep.
So, what are your views about bullying and harassment?
I never had bullying or harassment. Like I never had experienced bullying or anything.
Mm-hmm.
But yeah, I think it's bad if it's intensive bullying kind of thing.
Right?
It's a bad, but it's like knowing somebody or like knowing your fellow students or like seniors. It's a good thing, right? So
Mm-hmm.
it's kind of bullying. It's not, you cannot say bullying, but still it's introduction,
Yeah.
and you are still doing what other person wants to do, right? So
Mm-hmm.
it's also bullying, but it's not intensive, so it's good too. Yeah.
Okay. And have you gone through any such experience, or do you know any person um, who have had such experience?
Yeah. My brother and me went to southern part of India to do a degree, and
Okay.
at that time, we already knew before we went there
Mm-hmm.
that engineering and medical students,
Mm-hmm.
usually in engineering and medical college, it happens
Mm-hmm.
bullying and stuff.
Mm-hmm.
I was doing BBA, so I didn't have that experience. But yeah, my brother had, like, for a week he was in the position like there will be bullying. He knew that there is gonna be bullying, right?
Mm-hmm.
So he was in like stress kind of thing. Like he was worried that what kind of experience it's gonna be and all.
Right.
So he was in like stress for a week, and after that bullying actually started. So he was like really scared and all.
Mm-hmm.
But after 2-3 days, maybe he kind of like he got used to it in like 2-3 days itself.
Mm-hmm.
And after another 2-3 days, he started enjoying it with senior students because he already knew all of them in like first 5-6 days.
Right.
He already knew all the senior students and everybody. He already made friends, I can say.
Mm-hmm.
uh, so yeah, he started enjoying it, and he also knew that this those are the students who are gonna help him in the future, like exams or like study related issues, right?
Mm-hmm.
So whatever they used to say, tell him to do, he also did with like enjoying it, right? So it wasn't exactly bullying, but it was a way to know somebody as well, right?
Okay.
Like I was doing BBA. I
Mm-hmm.
didn't like it was really my college was really strict and everything.
Right.
So yeah, I didn't had that experience in my college, but still I can tell you I never had even a single friend, like single senior student friend
Mm-hmm.
who can help me out. All were like my mates, classmates, and all.
Mm-hmm.
We were studying together and all. But my brother, he really had really good friends who were senior, and so he got really good help as well, right? So I guess it's not that bad unless
Mm-hmm.
something serious happens.
Okay, I've heard about a lot of things, a lot of news actually, regarding this bullying or the ragging you're talking about. That sometimes it turns such worst faces that that I know some students who have actually committed suicides
Wow.
or actually have quitted their colleges just because they have been like intensely gone through ragging
Yeah.
or intensely gone through bullying or harassment. So, what do you think about that?
It's really bad. That's why I'm talking about. It shouldn't be intensive, and the person whom you are bullying, he should also know that it's not gonna be really bad. And yeah, even senior students should know while bullying the new students
Mm-hmm.
that he's not gonna make such like mistakes or like, right, suicide.
Yeah.
It's a really bad thing.
Yeah.
And even like person who is being bullied, he should he should have that kind of feeling about the student who is bullying him,
Mm-hmm.
that he's not gonna do any such really intense. He's not gonna make him do any intensive thing, right? Really bad thing that
Right.
he feels really bad, and yeah, so yeah, it shouldn't be happening. Yeah, it should bullying or yeah, it shouldn't be intensive for sure. Yeah, that's really bad.
Okay. And what are the preventive measures, in your opinion, that should be taken or that should be made aware of each and every student?
I'm not saying it's a good thing, but it's not that bad either, unless it's intensive. And if somebody is being bullied really bad, I can say he should know, like there should be some posters how he can stop him in the university, and like university can send emails to new student, not even new student, everybody should know that there is a way. If it's gonna be intensive, somebody will complain, and even the person who is bullying somebody, he should
Right.
know that these are the consequences, right? So he should not bully somebody really bad, right? So yeah, university should send all the students emails every semester, like if you want to stop being bullied and it's happening to you, you can do that. And it should be secure kind of stuff, like yeah, if you do complain about somebody, there shouldn't be any consequences on you after complaining, right?
Right.
So it like after you complain, like senior other students may start behaving bad with you and all. So yeah, it shouldn't be happening, and it should be confidential, that who had complained and all should not be like gone viral, like
Right.
everybody knows and stuff. So
Right.
yeah, it shouldn't be happening like that.
Okay.
Yep.
Okay. Thank you so much, Mayur, for your time.
Welcome. Bye bye.
Bye bye.